Thanks for tuning in to Matt Rev Life. Today I'll be installing a quick twist throttle. Lock in now and check how easy it is. Be sure to give it a good clean before you put the new one on.